So it's half time in this match with PSV against Arsenal. PSV 0, Arsenal 1 is the half-time score. Not the hugest surprise there, but if we're looking at the XG, it's telling a little bit of a different story. And here's the market with Arsenal there at 1.55. So let me show you what the XG is telling us. So Arsenal winning the match, winning the actual match. However, XG is still saying the current projected match result is actually a PSV home win. Okay, and PSV are overdue a goal. So that tells us Arsenal might be winning, but they're outperforming their XG and they're not deserving of that lead. So we're going to look to go against Arsenal in the second half of this one. Now, obviously, the strategy is not huge in this one, in all these demonstrations. But look, I mean, you've got a lot of options. You could back that home win for PSV. We could lay Arsenal. We could go for the goals, knowing that there's one goal overdue. But anyway, look, we're going to start out with laying Arsenal. And if and when we get that equaliser, then we can reassess, okay? Because remember, the XG is a moving target. It can always change as the second half develops. So that's something to keep in mind also. So anyway, we're starting out with an Arsenal lay. Let's see what happens in the second half, and we will act upon what we're seeing. PSV 0, Arsenal 1 at half time. 50 minutes on the clock, very early in the second half. We've got exactly what we were looking for. Let's lock in this profit right away. Arsenal, we laid them at 1.56. They've now gone out to 3.2. Okay, so very early in the second half, PSV have leveled it, and that's exactly what we were looking for. Okay, so you saw the reasoning for entering the trade. Okay, for a lot of beginner football traders, a lot of newbies, one of the things they hate the most is going against a team that is already winning, because obviously you're going to need that equaliser to be scored without the winning team increasing the lead. However, when you're following XG, for me, I actually feel excited to go against a lot of these winning teams because they're such low prices to lay, like Arsenal there at 1.56, odds on. And in this case, we got that equaliser very, very quickly. Okay, this isn't luck. You saw the reasoning. You saw why we got involved in the trade. And here we are at 1-1. And we've got £102 locked in across all the outcomes. And from here on out, we can obviously check on the XG again, maybe on 65 minutes, 70 minutes. And we can deploy some green on whichever outcome we think is most likely. And obviously, looking at the stats earlier on, the PSV win was looking pretty good. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Anyway, we're out with a profit. PSV 1, Arsenal 1. Very quick, very easy. I hope you enjoyed checking that clip out, and if you are enjoying the clips we're sharing on this channel at the moment, showing how you can use live XG data to find those good value football trades without having to sit and watch the match for hours on end, then remember you can also download this free ebook to help you learn more about it. The link is in the description. You can scan that QR code or just visit xgfootballtrading.com, and you're going to learn inside this ebook why live XG data is changing the game for football traders and how you can take advantage of it, the main elements of interpreting XG data to find those profitable trades, just like in the clips we're showing you, and bottom line, how to get started with implementing XG into your football trading and instantly upgrading your skill set and increasing your profits. As said, click the link in the description or visit xgfootballtrading.com or just scan that QR code that is on the screen. Fill out your best email address and we will send that book right to you. And keep in mind that what you just saw was a short clip, and we've got plenty more where that came from. The video on the screen now should direct you to the full video where you can get more information and see more similar live trades and how they played out. So go click on that video and we will see you in that next video or the next clip.